Today we're going to talk about something that can be vital for your video production, and that is the Atomos Connect. Let's get into it. It allows you to have live streaming to Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, any place that you want. And also it allows you to view your content, whether you're on an iPad or not. This is good, especially if you're a videographer out in the field and you want to get your files transferred to your video editor very quickly. So let's see what's inside the box. Inside this Atomos Ninja Connect box, what do we have here? We have a device. It's very small. It attaches to the back of your Atomos Ninja, your Ninja V or your V Plus, and it can give you all these capabilities. This is one small piece. Comes with all your rules, get started. Comes with all your antennas. I mean, these are just a small thing. So what we're gonna do is build this, put it together, and then, that's a bag of small items. You know what, when it's so small like this, you have to keep it, but we're just gonna put it to the side for the moment. And there we go. The most important features that are down here below. We have the caps. There's so many little items. We have the caddy cage. We have a jack, we have screws. And then we also have this here, which is an adapter. So many little pieces that play a pivotal part in creating the Atomos Connect. So let's put this together. What I'm gonna do is take this apart, put it on my Atomos Ninja, and see exactly how it looks. Very smooth feature. It actually is very small. Fits on very good, tight, snug. The one problem that everyone always says is that when you use this, you can't actually fit this back in. And the irony is that this is the original caddy that they send with it. So as you can see, when you try to slide this back in, it doesn't fit. So that means that you won't be able to record internally, at least until you get a replacement caddy. Let me see if this is the one that actually goes, yeah. This is one that can actually fit into it. So what has to happen is that you have to take out your drive and you have to put your drive inside this in order to use that. So that's a quick replacement part for that. Let's put that together, see what happens, and get this Atomos Connect working. But before I get into it, or I should say while I get into it, I want to talk about some features. What's most important about the Atomos Connect that I think most people really find interesting is that if you're a person that uses, let's just say, DaVinci Resolve or even Adobe Premiere Pro, it integrates with your software. So if you want to talk to someone while you're actually using your actual software, Frame.io will be the connecting service. Now you can consolidate everything into your software, use it seamlessly with someone else, like I said, your video editor or whoever else that you're working with, so that they can see your files. And when they see your files, you can talk to them to say what you want, what you don't want. And that's something that I find very good for video production. So that's a pro. Now, on the flip side, of course, with everything, there is a fee. It goes from free to about $45 a month, I believe. Is this something that you see viable for your company? I don't know. For me, personally, if I'm doing live events and the client wants to have something that's streaming, going straight to YouTube, this will be very pivotal for me. Now, you might be a video editor where you do music videos. You might not necessarily need to stream anything, but you also need a live feed. So this will also help for you. Because with that, in turn, someone on the side can see what you're seeing. They don't have to actually be over your shoulder, so you don't have to look at your camera. So that's also another pro. As I put this hard drive together, this last screw, you can see this will be the new piece as opposed to the original cage. There we go. So let's attach the antennas.
One eternity later.
When you first start it, it's gonna update the software. Let me know if this is something that you might use or you do use, and if you do use it, how do you enjoy using it? For a person like me who actually handles events that are outside sometimes you might need some live stream, and this will be the perfect device for it. And I can't stress anymore. You don't always need the best and latest and greatest, but you do need things that work best for you. So, with that being said, I thank you guys for stopping and checking out this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.